What has business been like over the summer vacation for Boardwalk?
During the week it's slow. On the weekends, Friday to Sunday, they go up a bit more, but most of the time, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is our busiest day. We got a lot of people. During the week, like say Wednesday, Thursday, sometimes we have people come in groups. We also cater for disabled, they don't pay. Children under 6 get a discount as well.
What's the charge to come in? What's the
500
fee?
per person, but as a group you get a discount. Children, you pay 250 and over 6 years. We were closed a while before we opened in May, and then Bery was closed down for about a week. It wasn't fully closed, but the beach was not clean, so we had a lot of cleanup. We're still cleaning up as you can see now, so but you still get a lot of person on the weekends. We have a roof that we don't have a roof now. We are refurbishing the kitchen. Just have a little space cooking in right now.
Yeah, we are come from a place there, Wreck Reef. The business is bad today, because no fish not there in the water. The current run with the water, the fish there. Bad man, bad. I tell you, it's bad. The reef, they mash up the gum, they mash up the fish there. I can't see no fish on the bottom. They see fish there, they just run away. You can't find it. That's something. With the shark thing, with the shark thing now, shark just, them shark just rush you like that. You have to have something where shark want fish, shark come at you.
Yeah,
Like
but
you spear a fish, the shark just come and come at the fish, it's not really you it come at. So if shark went to eat enough with them in a long time. And me feel so that man drown and the shark just take a bite at it.
So you used to pay like say 6,000 per weight. Now you're paying sometimes 8, 10, 12,000. Depends on the person that you're buying from. Because you don't have like a steady supply. So you go today and you get fish from this person. You go back tomorrow, you don't get no fish, so you have to pay more because you need it. But you try to keep the price at a minimal to suit the customer.